Weird lenses, part 7. This is the Vivitar 19mm f3.8 m42 mount, and it kind of looks like this. So my friend Rob, who has to come make a feature, there we go, kindly let me borrow this lens. Rob's one of my ACs, one of my great friends, and we work together on loads of stuff. But he's recently got into weird lenses because of me. I convinced him to get a set of vintage primes, so he's picked up a mixed bag at the moment, and we're working to build out some sets with him. The footage is from this lens is his car, actually. It is quite strange because when it came to wide lenses in the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, I mean, even now, it was quite difficult to find, get, and physically make wide aperture, wide angle lenses. So you find that they have strange focal lengths, i.e. 19mm, or they have slightly weird apertures. So 3.8 isn't typical, it's not normal, and it isn't the fastest, but it's also not the slowest wide angle. There are others that are more like f4, 5.6s, but part of that's the physics, part of that's the manufacturing of them is quite difficult, and I mean it's still technically it is, but technology has come such a long way. I actually really like this lens. It grew on me quite quickly using it. I really enjoyed how soft it was, and as you stop through, so from wide open, it's really, really soft, but just knocking it from like 3.8 to 4, it starts to bring back some of that contrast, so you can kind of decide whether or not you want to have, you know, two different kinds of characteristics from a single lens, and it being so wide is really nice as well. It doesn't feel obnoxiously wide. It does feel kind of like a 20. Obviously it's only 1mm difference, but yeah, quite like it. Definitely a weird lens. Nice.